Hello, first and second class, how are you today? We are going to review Baa Baa Black Shepp's song, a song that you know because you sung when you were little ones. And the reason is because perhaps you have been walking, o anar passejant per el riu, i heu vist per ahí alguna cabreta, alguna ovelleta, que tenim així sona, i bueno, i anem a fer-la with Bodypercussion, val? La idea no és meua, és d'un home anglès. Vos posaré el vídeo al seu costat per a fer el vídeo sencer amb ell. Jo només vaig a fer-vos el tutorial, perquè quan no vegueu el vídeo feu aixina i no ho feu, vale? Molt bé. La lletra, review the lyrics, ok? Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any wood? Yes sir, yes sir, 3 bags full. Only this part, ok? Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any wood? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Last time. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any wood? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Okay. Baa Baa. Baa Baa Black Shepp. Baa Baa Black Shepp. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Have you any boot? Last time. Have you any boot? All together. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Yes sir, 3 bags full. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. And the idea is to make that turning around, okay? Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Turn around. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baa Baa Black Shepp, have you any boot? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Yes, you did it. Now, with my friend, my God's the Beat, I think that is the name. Let's do it with him, okay? Bye-bye.